Hi guys, him for safety. After feeding, ito si Miller nasa 15. Yung every din niya na consume mga 40 to 60 na kilos.
They're coming in for food, okay.
They know the drill, honey.
Pwede silang i-help pag nasa enclosed type.
This is your mama.
Diretso po kayo dito, sir.
There you go.
Sometimes leaky.
Yeah.
Sir, ano na rin, ma'am? At least, hirap po kasi
Okay ma'am, sige po. Okay, enjoy nyo lang ma'am.
Ayoko din video, kuya, ha?
Apo.
Kasama yung maliit.
Babae na sila. Para makita kayo.
Yay! Ay, ang cute na naman. Kuya, ako din sa dalawa.
May video din yan. Kasi medyo, ano lang, medyo...
We did.
Mama, 2 meters po.
Feeds yan, boss?
Commercial feeds. Gumagamit din po sila ng feeds.
1, 2.
Hindi kayo magpa-picture ha. Basta kahit mga panin lang natin.
Agoy.
Sila, pag malapit na maubos yung feeds, nag-away-away na sila kasi hindi nila yung kapamilya.
Ah.
Kasi ano sila yung mga...
Like that. Hello, kids. Ready?
Oops, sorry,
kids,
sorry.
hands up.
Later for...
Looks like lady. This on side. And look coming. Oh, give one on side. Oh. I don't know. And they are. Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
What you gonna do? Oh.